A plus 2b plus 3c is equal to 108. 2a plus 3b plus c is equal to 36. 3a plus b plus 2c is equal to 36. We want to find out the value of a plus b plus c. Okay. Now, if we add equation number 1, 2, and 3, you will have a plus 2a, that is 3a plus 3a, that is 6a, plus 2b plus 3b, that is 5b plus b, is 6b, plus 3c plus c, 4c plus 2c, that is 6c, is equal to 108 plus 36 plus 36, that is 180. So if we divide throughout by 6, it will be a plus b plus c is equal to 30. Now, the options are not in terms of direct values, but in terms of a, b, c. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Okay, so let's try and subtract the second equation from the third equation. Okay, so if we do 3 minus 2, okay, so what will happen? 3a minus 2a, that is a. B minus 3b, that becomes minus 2b. 2c minus c, so that becomes plus c, is equal to 36 minus 36, that is 0. Okay, so we have a minus 2b plus c. That is nothing but the first option. Now we want a plus b plus c equal to 30. This is coming out to be 0. So first option is eliminated. Let's see the second option. 2a plus 3b plus c. It is directly the second equation. So that is equal to 36. So therefore, again, it is not equal to 30. So we can cancel out the second option as well. Now, let's see the third option. Okay. So we have 4a upon 5 plus 3b upon 5 plus c. Okay. So what we'll do is we will add the third equation and the first equation. So that will give us 3a plus a, that is 4a, plus b plus 2b, that is 3b, plus 2c plus 3c, that is 5c, is equal to 108 plus 36, that is 146. Now, if we divide throughout by 5, both the sides, you will have the left-hand side as option C. But option C is equal to, therefore, 144 upon 5, which is not equal to 30. So therefore, option C is also eliminated. So therefore, correct answer is none of these.